Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tag here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hopefully be able to recover your recycling bin icon in Windows 10. So it seems that several people who've upgraded to Windows 10 have lost their recycling bin icon on their desktop. So while there is an option you could actually manually create a new shortcut, I'm going to be going through a more simple version of creating a new icon for specifically the recycling bin. So this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial we're going to get into today. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start button, and we're going to left click on it. And then we're going to left click on the Settings option, right above the Power option. So now underneath the Settings window, you want to head over to the Personalization tile, second to the right on the top row, and left click on that. Now on the left side here, left click on Themes. Underneath Related Settings, left click on Desktop Icon Settings. We have different desktop icon choices here. Select Recycling Bin if it's currently unchecked, and then left click on Apply and OK. We see the recycling bin icon has reappeared on the desktop. If I go back into the settings, if for some reason it has not been restored, just go through it a couple times to reset it, and then do it again. And hopefully the recycling bin icon should be restored for you guys. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.